So my name is Ray. I'm the FTL Manager for the over-the-road division. All we do is refrigerator loads from point A to point B all over the states, and we try to keep the trucks moving. That's pretty much what we do all day. We like to keep all of our trucks clean. We're pretty much number one in technology, safety, and I think we're growing very fast compared to other companies in South Florida. I come from another company over the road as well. It was not a refrigerator, it was dry freight. I didn't know them back then, and I wasn't going to even apply. My wife is the one that actually applied for me and got me the interview. And then it's funny, the rest is just history now. This place is not like any other trucking company. We're probably younger than a lot of other companies out there. All the managers are pretty much either my age or a little younger. And we change. We adapt well to change, and we are just crazy. We think differently. We're not old school. We're open to new ideas. If we have to get new equipment, we'll get new equipment. If we have to change the way we operate, we can change it right away. If we need technology, we'll go and get it, or we do it in-house, just like Truck Hub, and we make the changes that we need to make it work. But we can adapt to changes. We're not like any other company out there, and they're set their ways, and nothing's gonna change. You come to work with us, you bring new ideas, we think they're fine, we're gonna change, and we're gonna make sure it creates profit for the company. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install the dash cameras in all of our units. It's for safety, and that's what we're gonna do real quick. It's a quick process, but it's super nice to have in all of our trucks when it comes to safety. This is equipment that we're gonna be using. You got the cable, you have the actual camera. It's a dual camera. You got a lens here, you got a lens here, and this is the actual device that connects to the camera, and at the same time it's a GPS for all of our trucks. And this is where they fix all of our trucks. That's the rider shop. That's where they do fix all of our trucks. They do maintenance, they change our tires, anything that's got to do with our equipment. We bring it here and we got to fix. The main reason, because it's just safety. Safety is our number one thing. So the cameras can help us out just in case there's an accident, just to see who's at fault. Drivers are being distracted. The cameras will let us know whether they're wearing their seatbelt, whether they're looking at the phones instead of driving, and they'll keep reminding the drivers that they're not doing something right. And they'll send reports: drivers going over the speed limit, drivers not being attentive. So that's the number one thing that we do. We pretty much into safety, technology, and we do whatever it takes. It comes from the owner all the way down to the last employee. It could be from the owner to the person that cleans the floor. It's the same mentality, and if you go to every single department, all the managers and all the employees got the same mindset. Record the outside and the inside. If the driver doesn't have the seatbelt on, we'll start talking to the driver. If the driver's on his cell phone and it's distracted, it will talk to the driver. He needs to look out at the road, not be on his cell phone. So that's when we tell the drivers whether they have to move the camera up or down. You see, it's got to be like that. We got to be able to see in front, and we got to be able to see inside. No excuses. We don't care about any excuses. The market is bad. This cannot get done. Doesn't even matter. We don't need to be motivated. We know what needs to get done, and we're young. We know about technology. We know how to adapt to changes, and we just get things done.